Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel Travel Vlogs. I'm your host Somia. It's 5:30 in the morning, and we just have started our journey from Bangalore. The distance of our resort is approximately 253 kilometers, and trust me, it's gonna take more than 6 hours, maybe 30 minutes more with a little bit of stopover. To reach our destination, we have taken NH 275 and detour towards the Brindaban Garden. Just let me tell you one thing, guys, because the Mysore road, which is NH 275, the road work is still going on. So just keep half an hour extra on your hand. Just be cautious while you are driving because it's a lot of distractions on the road. But otherwise, the drive was okay. If you are driving on your own, so I would really suggest you to set your destination till Club Mahindra. From there you can go to Taj Madhikiri. So in that way you will get a really decent road to drive on. What happened to us as we were approaching towards the property, Google had rerouted our route and it took us through a golf course. The road was broken and narrow and hardly two cars can pass through, so the driving experience was really horrible. I would not recommend anybody to take that shortcut. As soon as you enter inside the property, the vibes of having holiday was wonderful. The lobby is stunning. The sit out areas are really awesome and comfy. So if you look over there, the decor throughout the hotel is kept with its basic dark wood tones contrasted with white and other light colors. It's pretty decent, like with the view, and especially when you are entering, they will welcome with a jaggery coffee, with a hot cup of jaggery coffee, and the surrounding, the lush green surrounding. The feeling is absolutely wonderful. I can't really express. You have to come here to just experience all by yourself.
How was your journey from Bangalore?
It was nice, but a bit boring in the car.
Okay. And are you excited?
Yeah.
How did you come from the lobby to your room?
From the lobby to... what is the lobby?
Lobby? That's where we did the check-in?
Oh, I worked with a woman named Shruti. She's very
Okay.
nice.
And she's very nice. I know she's very nice. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you want to show something?
Yeah.
How many steps we have? Let's count and go.
Okay. One.
So next day we had taken the property tour, which was complimentary for all the guests.
See, they sense is that you are going to give them food.
That's why they're all gathering up here.
Go down to here.
See how good it is by seeing these patches. It grows on stones, on the tree barks.
Is it like a fungus?
The topper is fungus, below is algae.
Okay.
They have a similar relationship between algae and fungi.
Okay.
So if this is growing, it means the quality of our air is very good. We get different species. There are few species which is called as, in Hindi it's called dagar phool. Like a pathar phool. This is one of the garam masala. People scrape it and take it. That's another species. There are poisonous lichens also growing.
Oh, okay.
It's the mud paint.
Okay.
So this is yellow. It's a laterite soil. When we took the foundation, we got lot of soil, different colors. Black we got, yellow we got, orange we got, pink, purplish pink also. That we thought, okay, we'll use this only. But then 60,000 trees inside a property.
Oh, and those are like...
All endemic species, so no ornamental. So you can't see much flowering trees
Okay.
and all. This is avocado tree.
This one?
Not a fruit, yeah.
Cocoa, see, this is coffee bean.
See this one.
It's not ripe still.
Can you
This
see?
is Robusta coffee. We get Arabica also, two types of coffee bottles.
Yeah, actually, this cottage we are
Okay.
staying. And we didn't notice this.
No, yesterday I noticed, but I didn't know like what type of fruit. So I thought it's adu, you know.
Aruni, I think.
It's the lime, the big lime. It's green now. Still.
Yeah, I can
Becomes
see
much
that.
bigger. So if people- Press it. And get a
That's nice.
Don't eat it, I will eat it.
You get such strong flavor of
Try
it.
so no, hold it.
There's an amphitheater. So the dance program and all is happening in the center, so the guests can sit around.
That's papyrus.
The papers were made of this.
There's a lotus pond. There are a lot of lotus inside.
See, there's a lotus pond. There are so many lotus.
Oh,
If you want, we can just have a look. Come here. There are some
Look there. Look there.
hey, Taki, you want that?
What is that?
Italian mint.
Italian, not Italian.
Okay, whatever mint. Bam.
Smell, it's exactly like I think for cold treatment they
Yeah,
use that.
mainly for throat,
Throat.
ma'am. Hot
Smell
water
it.
goblet.
That
You can
tea.
taste the leaf.
We can.
You can taste the leaf.
It gives a amazing flavor.
You want to taste the leaf?
No,
Why?
I'll taste it later.
What is
This
that?
is the chocolate mint.
Chocolate mint.
Chocolate mint.
Yeah, it smells little like chocolate. Smell it.
This one you can just smell. This is the Thai basil, but it's very strong. Thai basil.
Ishi, how does it smell like?
Show it to mommy.
Lemon or something.
I like this
Show it to mommy.
Just so strong. Just clears up your nose.
one. I bought it.
This is, in the olden days, we didn't have tractors and all that, you know. So you had cattle that put this on their back and made holes. Even in Dublin.
Yes. That's a flow.
Dad, to go to a shop in Bangalore where you get these decanters. Right? Yeah, decanters or filters. Nowadays people don't like big words, they like small words. Can you see it's got holes in it?
Yeah, it looks like there is 3 rounds.
Correct. There's a pattern of a flower in the middle. So what happens? You take coffee powder, not Nescafe, not instant coffee. You take that coffee, which I'll tell your mother how it's made. Papa, your mama likes, whether they like it dark or they like it light. So to that you pour water, hot water and milk and add sugar if they want. That becomes a local filter coffee. And this is the old way of making coffee.
Oh, 10 this time.
Very good, Ishi.
Pull. Pull, more pull. Otherwise it will not go. Pull.
Let go.
Wow. देखो कुकू बाबा रे.
We were very hungry at this point, so we head towards the restaurant straight away. We sat outside, enjoyed the surrounding as well as the food. Around 4:30 in the evening, there was a rainforest tour, which is a paid activity. The overall experience was really good. That's all, friends, for today. Thanks for watching us. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to our channel. Very soon we are going to come up with a new set of videos. Till then, stay tuned. Have a great time.